Hello everyone. Today we're talking about the magic of Ayurveda. But first, like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like to discover more. It's time to discover nature's own toolkit for health. Ayurveda isn't just a buzzword. It's a 5,000 years old practice from India that's still going strong. It's all about balance. Balancing your mind, body, and spirit. Think of it as a holistic health system that uses natural remedies, diet, and lifestyle changes to keep you in top shape. Got digestive issues? Ayurveda suggests starting your day with warm water and lemon. Feeling stressed? Try a little yoga and meditation to calm the mind. And here's the best part, it's personalized. Ayurveda recognizes that everyone is unique, so it tailors suggestions to your specific body type, or dosha. Curious yet? Start small. Swap out that morning coffee for an herbal tea, or add some turmeric to your meals. Little changes can lead to big transformations. Unlock the secrets of Ayurveda today and find a healthier, happier you. Are you ready to give it a try? Thank you for watching. Here are other videos you might like. And if you'd like to learn more, let us know in the comments. Stay curious and stay healthy.